Our planet Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago. It came together from a massive cloud of gas and dust. This cloud was located in a giant swirling disk around our young sun. Gravity pulled these particles together. They collided and stuck to each other, slowly growing larger over millions of years. At first, Earth was a hot, molten ball of rock. It was constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. These impacts generated even more heat. Over time, the surface cooled and solidified. This formed the Earth's crust. Volcanoes erupted, releasing gases from the planet's interior. These gases formed the early atmosphere, although very different from the air we breathe today. As Earth cooled further, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. This led to torrential rains that lasted for millions of years. These rains formed the oceans, covering most of the Earth's surface. With the presence of water and a protective atmosphere, the stage was set for life to emerge. The first life forms appeared in Earth's oceans around 3.5 billion years ago. These were simple single-celled organisms. They were able to harness energy from the sun through photosynthesis. This process released oxygen into the atmosphere, gradually changing its composition. Over billions of years, life evolved and diversified. Simple organisms gave rise to more complex ones. This happened through the process of natural selection. Organisms with traits better suited to their environment survived and reproduced. They passed on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Life emerged from the oceans and onto land. Plants developed, covering the earth in green. Animals followed, adapting to different environments and evolving into a dazzling array of species. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, life on Earth flourished in an incredible display of biodiversity. Among the many species that evolved on Earth, one lineage eventually gave rise to humans. Our ancestors appeared relatively recently in Earth's long history. Early humans were intelligent and adaptable. They developed tools, learned to control fire, and formed complex social structures. Humans possessed a unique capacity for language and abstract thought. This allowed them to communicate, share knowledge, and pass on information across generations. This ability to learn and innovate led to the development of agriculture, cities, and civilizations. Human ingenuity brought about incredible advancements in science, technology, and art. We explored the furthest reaches of our planet. We even ventured into space, landing on the moon and sending probes to other planets. Humans have achieved extraordinary things in a remarkably short period. As we marvel at our achievements, we must also acknowledge the impact we have had on our planet. Our activities have led to environmental challenges that threaten the delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems. Climate change, driven by the burning of fossil fuels, is warming our planet at an alarming rate. This leads to more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to natural systems. We're also depleting natural resources at an unsustainable pace. Forests are being cleared, oceans are being overfished, and pollution is contaminating our air and water. These actions have consequences not only for other species, but for ourselves as well. However, just as we have the capacity to cause harm, we also have the ability to find solutions. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in renewable energy, and protecting our natural environment, we can mitigate the damage we have done and create a better future. The fate of our planet lies in our hands. It is our responsibility to act as stewards of Earth, preserving its beauty and bounty for generations to come.